So my wife and I just got back from Banff, and she was pretty impressed by some bear art that she saw in Banff. So um, I decided, actually, she decided that she wanted a bear this week. So it's going to be a bear. Um, if you've never been to Banff, you got to go up there and check that out because that's some pretty cool stuff. It's kind of like the Tetons, only the Tetons you can't drive through. This is all mountains, big cliffy mountains that you drive through, and it's beautiful and wonderful. Perfectly like blue, aqua blue water. You just can't believe how awesome it is. So if you never get to, if you've never been, you better head up there and check that out. I probably would wait until Alberta becomes a state. That would be easier than going through the whole process of, travel ID and stuff. So anyway, let's get going on this bear. So basically, that's what I'm looking to do. This is going to be very hard. I'm not going to do the rocks. I'm going to do just the bears. This is going to be very difficult. And well, you'll see because there's nothing definitive to look at. It's just a bunch of fur. So I'll show you how to do that. But it might take me a week. All right, so not too much black on this. Just looking to get my bearings here. I didn't even put any stickum on this. It's probably a mistake. I'm gonna put some stickum on it. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna tip this off of here and it'll fly off and I won't be able to get my spot back. All right, so we have the 3M Super 77 3M Stickum. There you go. That's what I use to stick all my paper to my board. You have to remember when you're using that Stickum to kind of let it dry, because if I put it on there too soon, if I put it on the board, if I put this piece of paper on the board with Stickum on it too soon, it will actually leave Stickum on the board. You don't want that. I have to admit, this is sort of a new thing for me. This is going to be kind of interesting to do. Like I said, there's really nothing to kind of hang my hat on. I need to be able to put all this hair in it. These points are good. I need to cut that out. These feet are good, but they're not black. They're gray of some sort. So I could do that, I suppose. That way I would have my feet in the right spot. All right, so I'm going to need to cut all this out because these actually tell me where the hair is and how big those hair fluffs are. I need to cut this ear out. I already got his body cut out, or I could start on this guy right here. But I need to do this background before I can do this guy right here. I'm going to leave that in. He's very white. He's like, not white, but he's board colored. So I'm going to wait on him. All right. Also, this is going to have a lot of color. So normally I would just do black or black and white. I have a feeling this is going to take a lot of brown. Yep, sure enough. Oh, it's brown bear, right? This isn't quite dark enough here. I know. I still got it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna cut this out and I'll come back. Okay, I'm just gonna paint this ear-ish black-ish. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of scraping on this. But that's where his ear is, and that's where his black is. So I need that black-ish. Mostly. I could do dark brown that way. Just add black. Right here above his cub's ears. This is all black. I don't know how far I'm going to come over here. I think about over in here someplace. I have to check. Her chin comes down there somewhere. I probably just should go all the way out there, but I'm not going to. I don't want to erase that much. Sometimes the black doesn't come all the way off. Okay, that's pretty good. Over here, and all that other stuff is dark brown. So yellow, red, and black. I'd probably just do this whole thing just like that instead of scraping it. Maybe that would be super fast. His back is clear up here. She is her back goes way up there. Dark spot right in there. See, these things, they should look like that. Right now, I'm adding all this hair. So, you know, you put the brown on, then you just start scraping it off with an X-Acto knife. It's super important to have your reference picture to look at, because you don't know which way this hair is going. So you constantly have to look at which way the hair is going on your reference. Otherwise, you're not going to get it right. It's time to do this little bear. He's going to be probably just as hard or harder than the mother. I'm throwing in some of those rocks so I can get the size in. I know I said earlier I wasn't going to do those rocks, but I'm going to do those rocks. I think they're kind of cool. Also the same color as the wood. In the reference picture, she has an open mouth. I decided to close her mouth mostly. Just a little bit of tongue hanging out. This baby bear came out dynamite. His legs are a little too dark. His right foot and leg are too dark. I need to fix that somehow. Okay, I think we're calling this done. I really cannot believe how good that fur came out. I just started working on it and all of a sudden it was good. And then this little bear, he came out really good. I had real trouble trying to get him to pop out because that leg was just black and this was black. So I just kind of separated them a little bit. I'm not super fond of her face. Needs a little work. I'll probably work on it for another couple weeks. All right. Rocks came out really good. There. One good thing about that. All right, guys. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.